In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can update Mozilla Firefox. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Firefox. Okay, click on Firefox under the best match. Now here you just need to simply click on these three lines, which is like a burger on the top right corner. Click on that. Scroll down, you'll find help. Click on that. And here you can find about Firefox. Click on that. And that's it. Once you click on about Firefox, you will see that Firefox is up to date. It will automatically update itself once you click Update Firefox. And if it asks you to restart, you just simply click on the restart button. But if it didn't ask you to restart, then just leave it as it is. And now we can see that Firefox is up to date. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily update Mozilla Firefox on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.